Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. So this question belongs to GATE CSE 2005 question 16 guys. Okay, so the question is there is an hash table containing 10 buckets. So let us start guys. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I'll be expanding it, so don't worry. So 10th slot, 9th slot, 8th slot, 7th slot, 6th slot, 5th slot, 4th slot, 3rd slot, second slot, first slot. Okay, yes. So we are having total 10 slots. So basically this will not be included. So 0 to 9. Okay, yes. So if there is any collision, we are using linear probing. I think everyone knows what is linear probing. So just to do +1. That's it. Okay. So the key values are integers that are inserted. So key mod 10. Okay. So 43. Where 43 will get slot guys? At 3rd slot, right? So for 3. So where 165 will get? So 165 will get here. Where 62 will get? 62 will get here. So where 123 will get guys? So 123 should get at 3rd place, right? So 123 mod 10 is nothing but 3. But 3rd slot is already filled. So we did +1. So we went till 4th location. So at 4th location, let us insert 123. So now coming to 142 mod 10. So the value should be 2, but 2 is also already booked. So 2 is not possible. So we did +1. So that became 3. So 3 is also already filled up. So 3 + 1, that is 4. 4 is also already filled up. So we did +1. So again 5. So 5 is also filled up. So the next possibility is 6. So we will be inserting 142 at 6th location. So our question is where exactly 142 will be inserted. So that is nothing but a 6th location. That is a D. So I hope you got a clear idea, right? So these hashing problems are really easy guys. The thing is you need to know what is the key, okay, what is the hash function which we are using and which probing you are using. That's it. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.